to say the least. We're down in Mohican area, and me and Steven are gonna climb the really tall fire tower. So fun fact, I'm actually scared shitless of heights, and yeah, I chickened out. I'm not even sorry. Nope, I'm cool. It was wobbling and shit. Nope. Nope. We're down in Mohican. Stay tuned for some roads. At the Mohican Gorge overlook. We are walking down the trail to go look. Walkie.
Yeah.
They're talking shit about me because I'm weird. We are at the end of day one. We didn't get to camp down here in the AEP lands till about, what was it, 11:30? Ate some food real quick, and well, it's time for bed. So, peace out.